Welcome to the wonderful world of Little Stompers, a family music program born and raised in New Orleans, Louisiana. In Little Stompers, we invite kids and grown-ups alike to sing, dance, and play some of the funkiest, most feel-good music on the planet. In this series of videos, we'll be exploring the roots of New Orleans music by digging into the city's early musical history, starting with sacred rhythms from Congo Square. We'll then march to the beat of a brass band in a second-line parade, and conclude with a style of music that changed the world, jazz. One thing almost all styles of New Orleans music have in common, from old school blues to modern day bounce. They invite audiences to participate and play along. And that's exactly what we'd love to do with you today.